So for my case study, I decided to focus on cerebral palsy. It's also known as CP, so when we get through this, if you see just the letters CP, that's what this stands for. So my research question was, how does cerebral palsy impact a student's behavior and learning ability? I chose this because my brother has cerebral palsy. It's one of his exceptionalities among others. And I figured I wanted to dive a little deeper into it to kind of know how it really affects him in the school environment and how it impacts other kids as well. So let's start off with what it is. So cerebral palsy is a group of disorders that affect a person's ability to move and maintain balance and posture. So it's often a physical exceptionality. However, it does impact cognition because it's caused by abnormal brain development or damage to the developing brain. Many students or people with CP also have seizures, vision, hearing, or speech problems, and often scoliosis. These are the most common. However, there are other exceptionalities that go along with this, again, because it's both a physical and cognitive exceptionality. Let's start with looking at its impact on behavior. So 1 in 4 students with cerebral palsy have behavior problems. This can range from a wide variety of things, any behavior that you can think of. It's a behavior, it happens. However, the most common are dependency, being headstrong, hyperactivity, and anxiousness. Now let's look at its impact on learning ability. So many students with cerebral palsy have short attention spans, language skills, verbal communication issues, memory issues, and problem-solving disadvantages. So what can teachers do? So a couple of the things that I found that we as teachers can do to help these students is to give extra time for travel between classes and to complete activities. Oftentimes it takes these students a little extra time to get where they're going. Ensure the classroom is free of obstacles. So that kind of goes along with it. People with cerebral palsy tend to have issues walking. Many are in wheelchairs or on crutches. So we want to make sure that the classroom is safe for them. And these students may often need to miss class for doctors and nurse visits. So as teachers, we need to be understanding of that and allow extra instruction time so they can catch up on instruction and assignments.